Do you know the difference between ba and ba in IsiNdebele? So the difference is the H. Whenever you see an H in Ndebele words, know that there is a stronger sound where the H is. Okay, so ba versus ba. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to pronounce the ba sound in IsiNdebele, and I'll also introduce you to words that use the ba sound. That way it really sticks. All right. So to start it off, let's do this. Ba, be, bi, bo, boo. I need you to repeat this after me. Let's do it a bit slower. Ba, be, bi, bo, boo. I think the ba sound is pretty straightforward because it's just like the B sound in English. All right. So let me just give you examples of words that use ba, so you know you can identify them and be able to pronounce them. The first word I have for you is ibanzi. Ibanzi, ban. Bega. Bega means look. Okay? So in Ndebele you can use bega or kangela to say look. Look at that. Begala. Look here. Begala. Okay. Next we have Ibiza, the horse. Ibiza. Ibhokisi, the box. Ibhokisi. Okay. And lastly we have buba. Buba means die or pass away. Buba. Okay. So let me introduce you to a verb that uses the ba sound, and the verb is bala, meaning write. Please don't confuse it with bala. Bala is read. Sorry, bala is read, okay? But bala is write. All right. So let's use bala in sentences. The first one would be uMandla uyabhala. Mandla is writing. uMandla uyabhala. Mandla is writing. Here is an instruction you would hear in class. Bhala kuhle, meaning write neatly. Bhala kuhle. Okay? Another instruction that's useful in class. Bhala ibizo lakho. Meaning what? Write down your name. Bhala ibizo lakho. Okay. And the question, what are you writing? Would be ubhalani. Ubhalani. What are you writing? Ngibhala inkondlo. I am writing a poem. Ngibhala inkondlo. Okay. So, if you want to learn how to pronounce the ba sound, the one without the H, please click somewhere in this video. There's a link to the video that I did on the ba. Okay, and let's keep learning Ndebele. All right, give me your questions, give me your comments, give me your likes, please, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.